Hello dear parents and students. Today I want to inform you about the one of program that we are going to start in our school. Actually, what the student do after they complete their 12th. So the most of the students, they are in 11th and 12th, they plan for the examination like a NEET, JEE, CUT or some other competitive examination. In all these examination, the basic fundamentals, those were required to qualify any of the examination, also to strengthen their weak points and to highlight or make them prepare for the any of the examination with their studies. Along with their studies, for that our school is starting a foundation classes, especially in the science subjects like the physics, chemistry, maths and biology. These classes has been started in our school, and these classes will be on the basis of weekly classrooms. We provide the weekly classes with the revision and also the weekly practice paper we give to the students from the school side for the practice, and the handout of the important topics. As we know, the most of the chapters, there are some topics there the continuous and the frequent question were asked in all the competitive examinations. In all the competitive examination, these portions, the some of the topics from those chapters are important. So mainly we try to focus on those chapters and provide the notes and the question practice for them. Here are the doubt sessions. We also start the doubt sessions, and the sum of we are working in this doubt session we solve the problems or queries of the students, in which the students are feeling some kind of the problem or they are not really approaching the question as it has been asked. After that we start the PYQs of the competitive examination, especially JEE, NEET or CUT examination, because the mostly when a student qualified the 12th or after the 12th, a student go for the medical or to be the engineer for the engineering courses, or even for the normal bachelor courses. In the journal courses, the most common examination, that is a CUT. So in this course we provide the PYQs that the students will be aware before the examination, and when their 12th will be done, they will be quite ready to give the exam. In these, some of the teachers, they are the responsible ones, and they will take the classes. The classes will be on every Saturday in the 11th, and the first and the second period will goes to Mr. Arshad sir. He will teach the chemistry in the 11th, and period 3 and 4th Mr. Saud, he will teach the physics, and here the 7th and 8th Mr. Shoaib sir, he will teach the maths, and Monica ma'am will teach biology. And in class 12th, there will be every Saturday there will be first and the second period Mr. Saud sir, and third and fourth Mr. Shoaib sir and Mr. Isra sir, he will teach the biology, and 7th and 8th Mr. Miraj, that is I. Hello. The one of examination that the Indian government conduct, in which the students, they are studying in 11th, 12th or also in the first year of the graduation, they can give this examination. The name of examination is Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana, generally we call it KVPY. In this examination, if any of the student qualify this exam, then that student get the fellowship from the government. And if on the basis of the exam itself, a student can get the admissions in many reputed colleges or the universities in India. In that case, generally these KVPY examination in that students can apply online, and the examination is conducted city wise. The most of the cities, those were very close to us, and the application fee for them, for the general and OBC, that is 1000, and SC, ST and PW there is 500. And in this examination there are two levels, the level 1 and level 2. In the level 1, generally a theory exam is conducted, and in level 2 there is a interview, and after the interview the final results comes. And these final results, if any of the student is selected, then that student is awarded 500 5,000 for the monthly fellowship and the 20,000 rupees as a contingency grant. Every year that students will receive the 20,000 rupees, and along with that every month there will be the 5,000 rupees. And if that student will start doing MSc, yeah, any kind of the course, like if he is in JEE, he is doing the engineering courses, or he is doing the BSc, general BSc, or if that student is doing like medical, any of the course, till that students will complete the master, he will receive that amount. Or if any of the student will do the MSc or the 4th or 5th year of integrated MSc, M Math or M Statics, then that student will receive 7,000 rupees per month, and along with that there will be the annual grant that will be of 28,000 rupees. After completing this, qualifying this examination, that is fellowship examination conducted by the Indian government, that student can get the admission in IISc and also ISERs. ISERs are in Kolkata, there are Bangalore, and there are a lot of the ISER colleges also. So in any of the college that student can take the admission on the basis of these exam only. And also the student also take in admission IIIT. There is one more college that is a student can take the admission. Here are the subject that a student must need to study. Those were the physics, chemistry, math and biology. In the objective one there is a MCQs, the question paper, the method of the question paper will be the objective, and this paper will be computer based examination. Here the timing is 3 hours, and for the students they are in 11th, they are pursuing the 11th actually. So they need to attempt the 80 questions, and the students they are in BSc first year, or also they are in 12th, they need to attempt 120 questions. There will be the marks, the 100 marks for the 11th students, and there is 120 marks for the 12th student. The medium is both English and Hindi too. Marking scheme in the first part, let's say in the first part there is the 1 mark questions. For the first part, all the question will be of the 1 mark. So let's say here is the essay stream like 11th. So we take the example. This is for the 11th students doing from the science side. So they can give the examination. So here are from each stream there will be 15 question in part 1, and each question is of 1 marks. Alright. There are 5 questions from the each stream, and each question will be of 1 marks. Alright, and here is that is the 25 question will be, total marks will be of 25, so that will be 2 marks, and here will be 25 question, 25 marks, 25, 25, and overall will be 100. Here that is for the 12th. In the 12th there will be 20 questions in the part 1, and each question will be of 1 marks, and here in the part 2 there will be 10 questions, or each question will be of 2 marks. So 20 and 20 becomes 40, and all the streams contain 40 marks, and that becomes 160. If we talk about the syllabus, in the case of the syllabus in essay stream, there are the syllabus from some of the part is from the 10th. In the 11th standard, if the student is giving exam in this 11th, then there are some questions or the some part that comes from the 10th, and the some chapters those will come from the 11th. You can check it here, like let's say here is the example of the chemistry that is in the 11th, that is also in 11th, and that is in 11th and 10th in the previous session, but right now it is in 11th, it is in 11th, it is in 10th, that chapter is also in 10th, and it is also in 10th, this one also in 10th, 10th, and that is in 11th. So when we see here, let's see these are both the same chapter actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chapters are from the 10th itself, and the 5 chapters are from the 11th itself. So here are the half syllabus that is in 11th. If a student is in 11th and he is giving this KVPY examination, then he need to prepare half syllabus from 10th and the half syllabus from 11th, and the syllabus will be covered in all the streams. Let's talk about this one, that is for the 12th. If any of the student is pursuing 12th, then in that case that student has to prepare the chapters from 10th, 11th and 12th. Come up to this. Here it is from the 10th. This chapter, that's the environmental chemistry, it is in 11th, and this is in 12th. This one is also in 12th, and the isolation, that is also in 12th, and periodic classification, that is in 10th, surface 12th, state of matter, that is in 11th, and that is in 10th, and this chapter is also in 10th, that is in 11th, that 11th, and that is 11th. So here you see there are most of the chapter, like we can say the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 chapters are from 12th, and there are 4 chapters are from 10th, and the 5 chapters are from 11th. So the syllabus is divided in the class wise. If a student is really serious and interested in this examination, he can go for this and can score better in the examination if he or she will work hard. And finally, if student get this scholarship, then it becomes very financially freedom for the students to pursue higher degrees, for example MSc, and after that the students want to go for the research or anything, he can go with this. Thank you very much for watching this video. All the very best. Goodbye.